Can work be healthy and productive? Modern work design possibilities, which take into account both company and employee interests, were the focus of a congress jointly organised by the German Confederation of Trades Unions Training Centre and the German MTM Association. If it was once the task of workers' representatives to guarantee jobs and pay, issues like making tasks suitable for people, work performance and performance limits are now the major focus of general attention. Richard Ronert, a member of the IG Metall board, believes that works councils face a huge challenge here. We need to make these qualitative issues about work the normal elements of our interest representation activities at companies. It needs to increasingly become the focus of our company work again. We do not just need the political will, but also the ability to tackle this issue head-on, the standing, and of course the specialist expertise. And that brings us back to the point. Communicating specialist expertise, promoting an exchange of experiences about keeping employees healthy, and exerting pressure on science and research, they are the key issues for Marianne Giesert, who chaired the Congress. That is to say, we have old information and we can resort to it. That's essential. But we're also noticing the process of change that we, our society and our jobs are all undergoing. So we need new insights. Chemnitz University of Technology, for example, is working hard to provide solutions in the field of prospective ergonomics and designing work for people growing older. Professor Dr. Birgit Spanner-Ulmer introduced MAX, an age simulation suit which maps the restrictions that people face as they grow older. But the matter has not been settled simply by sensitizing planners to the needs of older workers. Planning ahead in interdisciplinary teams and taking account of the increases in temporary staff, the psychological pressure or a person's individual health behavior are what is needed, according to Professor Dr. Martin Schmauder. This would be a sphere of activity for works councils, to get involved during the planning stages and set standards there and indicate how things should develop. This is more challenging and more complex and more complicated than assessing finished working systems with hindsight, accepting them and ticking them off. It's more sensible to be actively involved in the planning work much earlier. In other groups, the Works Council members concentrated on changes in demography and their effects, or work design in offices and lifelong learning as an essential criterion for employees to maintain their ability to work. Marianne Giesert was very happy with the event. She said it was important for participants to open their eyes to each other. Richard Ronert believes talks need to be held with MTM regarding standardized work and involving works councils as advisors. If we really view this as an all-round system, and MTM is interested in doing things properly from the outset with MTM as the process language and not just providing a catalogue of planned work times, and that seems to make sense, if we're serious, then the Works Council and employees, and in case of doubt, the IG Metall Union too, all need to be involved, because this can lead to guaranteeing acceptance. Otherwise, fears are stoked and there tend to be conflicts. The dialogue is set to continue during the next few months. The task of all those involved will be to dovetail economics and ergonomics to a greater degree and make work healthy and productive at the same time.